When it comes to home improvement projects, homeowners often look for ways to increase their property's value while making their living space more comfortable and energy efficient. One of the most impactful yet sometimes overlooked upgrades is window replacement. If you're a homeowner in Clinton Township, Michigan, upgrading your windows can significantly boost your home's value, curb appeal, and energy efficiency. Enhanced curb appeal. The first thing that potential buyers notice when they approach your home is the exterior, and windows play a major role in the overall aesthetic of your property. Old, worn out, or outdated windows can make even the most well-maintained homes look drab and uninviting. On the other hand, modern windows can instantly enhance the curb appeal of your home, giving it a fresh, updated look. Clinton Township is known for its family-friendly neighborhoods, and homes that stand out attract buyers. Whether you're looking to sell your home soon or just want to enjoy an improved look, replacing your windows can help your home shine. You can choose windows that complement your home's architectural style, from sleek, contemporary designs to more classic, traditional ones. A new set of windows can make a lasting first impression, which is essential in today's competitive real estate market. Improved energy efficiency. The energy costs are on the rise, and homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to reduce their utility bills. One of the most effective ways to enhance energy efficiency is through window replacement. Older windows, especially those with single panes or poorly sealed frames, can allow drafts to enter your home, making it harder to regulate the temperature indoors. This not only increases your heating and cooling bills but also places a strain on your HVAC system. In Clinton Township, where winters can be harsh and summers can be humid, energy-efficient windows are a must-have. Modern windows come with features like double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills, all of which help prevent heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. These windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, which reduces the need for constant heating or air conditioning. Not only will this save you money, but it's also a feature that potential buyers will appreciate when they see lower energy bills. Increased home value. Investing in window replacement can offer a solid return on investment, ROI. According to Remodeling Magazine's Cost versus Value report, window replacement projects can recoup up to 70% of the initial cost when it's time to sell your home. This makes window replacement one of the most cost-effective ways to increase your home's value. In Clinton Township, where home buyers are often looking for properties that offer comfort and energy efficiency, new windows can set your home apart. Buyers are increasingly looking for homes that require minimal updates and are ready for move-in, and replacing old, inefficient windows will give your home that edge in a competitive market. The improved aesthetics and functionality that come with new windows can make your property more desirable and, ultimately, more valuable. Noise reduction and comfort. Another benefit of new windows that can add value to your home is the reduction in outside noise. Clinton Township is a bustling suburban area with busy streets and various local businesses, which can result in a lot of noise. If you live near a busy intersection or high traffic area, you might be familiar with the constant hum of traffic, voices, or neighborhood activities. New, energy-efficient windows can help insulate your home from these disturbances, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. This increased comfort can be particularly appealing to potential buyers. Homes in peaceful, quiet neighborhoods are always in demand, and if your windows help block out noise, your property will have a competitive advantage. Reduced maintenance costs. Old windows often require frequent maintenance, such as repainting, sealing, and repairing damaged frames. These ongoing costs can add up over time, detracting from your home's value. New windows, however, are designed to be low maintenance, with features like vinyl or fiberglass frames that don't require painting and are resistant to rot and warping. With less time and money spent on upkeep, homeowners can enjoy long-term savings. Final thoughts. Window replacement in Clinton Township isn't just about aesthetics or comfort, it's also a smart financial decision. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enjoy the benefits of improved energy efficiency and reduced maintenance, upgrading your windows can significantly increase your home's value. With a higher return on investment, enhanced curb appeal, and increased buyer interest, window replacement is a home improvement project worth considering for any Clinton Township homeowner.